Crypto Technologies is operating fully remotely, but its CEO Alex is very perplexed. The company is facing losses due to inefficiency, and he has to take a step to make profits and scale his company. He is not able to determine what his employees are doing since they are working remotely. He comes across We360.ai, an employee engagement software using which he was surprised. He found out that Mary worked efficiently, working on Excel, PowerPoint, and completes her work honestly. Whereas he also discovered that Bruce was highly inefficient, wastes his day by browsing YouTube and other social media channels due to which his company is suffering. Alex takes the right step and confronts Bruce not to waste his time and focus on his work to grow and learn, which is beneficial both to him and the company. Whereas he also gave a promotion to Mary for being an honest and productive employee. Alex is delighted since he took the right decision by implementing We360.ai, which helped him unleash his employees' great potential. Now the ball is in your court. Would you like to take better, well-informed decisions based upon factual workspace analysis? If yes, visit www.we360.ai and schedule a free demo.